In my previous video, I showed you how to get Windows on an M1 based Mac. Today I'm going to show you how to get Windows on an Intel based Mac. So if you have an Intel chip inside your Mac, then this video is for you. If not, you have to go and watch my Apple M1 video, which I linked down below. So first thing you have to do is you have to go to your web browser and then go to virtualbox.org. I'll leave the link down below. And then under platform packages, click on OS X hosts. They should download the macOS installation package. Then scroll down and under extension pack, you should see all support platforms. Click on that. They should download the extension pack. The extension pack is required because so that USB devices, network adapters all work properly. So once it's downloaded, click on the DMG file and wait for it to get verified, and it should mount soon. After it has mounted, click on the .pkg file and hit continue. Click on continue and click on install. Enter your root password, enter your admin password, and the installation should fail in the first attempt because it doesn't have the required permission. So once it's completed writing files, then it will show up a prompt. So click on open preferences now and click on the lock icon and enter your admin password, and then click on allow. Now what you have to do is close this window and then click on the .pkg file again and do the same process, repeat the same process again. This time it should install properly. So as you can see, it says installation was successful. Now what you're going to do is you're going to search for VirtualBox in your Finder or in your Launchpad, and then click on it. Wait for it to open, and then double click on the extension pack that you downloaded. So once you double click it, it should show an install button here. Click on install and scroll to the bottom, scroll all the way to the bottom and hit agree. Now enter your admin password, and you install your extension pack should install. So now you have to install the Windows ISO file, and you'll have to download it from Microsoft. So I'll leave the link down below. So you select the Windows 10 edition and hit confirm. So I've already downloaded it. As you can see, it's on my desktop, so I won't download it again. So once you hit confirm, it should download. So go back to your VirtualBox app, click on new, and name your virtual machine anything you want. I'll name mine Windows 10, and under type choose Microsoft Windows, and under version choose Windows 10 64-bit and hit continue. Over here, RAM you can choose 4 to 8 gigabytes depending on how much you have. I'm going to choose 4 gigabytes because I don't have that much memory, so I'm going to choose 4 and then click continue. Click on create a virtual hard disk now and then click create, and you should choose the first option and hit continue. Hit on fixed size and click continue. So you can give up to 40-50 gigabytes. You can give how much resource you have. I am going to give 50 gigabyte for this example because I don't have much resources. You can choose to give anywhere above 40 gigabytes. So I'm going to give 50 gigabytes and click create. So it should take some time to do its thing, so please wait patiently. It will take about a minute or so. Yeah, alright, it's done. Now what you have to do is you have to click on settings, go to storage, and under storage click on empty, and over there in the optical drive field you can see a small circle. Click on that and click on choose or create a virtual optical disk. So from here just click add, and just give permissions, say okay, then okay. Now you go to where your file is stored. So mine is stored in the desktop. I'm going to click on the ISO file and click choose. Now click on OK. That's it. Now you can start the virtual machine. You can do this by double clicking on Windows on the virtual machine, or you can click start at the top. So now it's going to ask permissions, so you can just give the permission and quit VirtualBox, but I'm going to power off the machine and quit so that it doesn't get corrupted. So I'm going to power it off and then quit. Now I'm going to start VirtualBox again and start the virtual machine again and give all the permission it asks for. Just give. Now it should boot into the Windows setup menu. So over here you just click on next, click on install now. And over here click on I don't have a product key. If you have a product key, you can just enter it. I don't have a product key, so I'm not going to enter it. Choose the version you want to install. I'm going to choose Windows 10 Pro. Accept the license terms. Click next. Custom install and just click next. After you click on next, it should take you to a page where it will install Windows, and it will restart once or twice, depends, and then after that it will finish installing all the drivers and stuff, and then it will actually take you to the setup page where you have to set your Windows up. It's fairly simple and straightforward. Just click on next. Most of the thing you have to do is just click on next, and after it's done, as you can see, it will show this Windows page, home page, and that's it. You don't need to do any additional setup. Windows is yours now. Thank you for watching. See you next time.